He talked about that smoke and that haze. It's a reminder it is still wildfire season, and we're giving you an update on the fires we've seen across the state so far this year. Utah has seen just over 1,000 wildfires so far in 2024, over half of them human-caused. Those fires have burned altogether almost 2 million acres. Now, over the last 4 years, Utahns have reduced human-caused fires by 60%, but still, experts say fire conditions haven't been this bad since 2012.
Utah saw a light initial attack this week with 36 new starts from August 25th to September 1st. 17 of those were caused by lightning, and firefighters were able to stop forward progression very quickly.
Now, we are told simple steps you can take to prevent fires. Some of those include putting out campfires fully and making sure no chains are dragging behind cars.